What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this wonderful video I'm going to show you a very simple indicator that you can use to trade the volatility 75 index or any other derivative sets you can think of. So with no wasting of your time, let me go straight to the video. So this indicator is just a simple support and resistance indicator. It helps you to know the actual zones both on the higher time frame and on the lower time frames. So you can use it to mark up your zones. In fact, it marks up the zones for you. So you just wait for price to get to the zone you want to buy or sell. Then you look for confirmation and enter the trade. So to get the indicator, just go straight to your MQL5 market. Like I said in the other video, I made a video on how you can register, so you'll be able to download indicators from this market. So if you have not watched that video, the link to that video will be on the description. Make sure you watch this before you continue. So once you go to this place, you click on it, it will open. All you have to do is just go straight to the right side of the search bar, type fractal, fractal zones. Just type fractal or fractal zone, but combine them, don't space them. Okay, fractal zones, just combine the spelling, don't space them. So here is the indicator, you see it here, fractal zone. So you have to just click on it. In these aspects, like in this scenario, I already have it, that's why it's showing me open. But if you don't have it, it should just show install for you. Then you click and install the indicator. So once you are done installing the indicator, just open any chart of your choice. In this case, we are going to open VX75, that's volatility 75. We are just going to load the indicator on these assets now. I'm just going to scroll and look for it from my indicator navigator. If you don't know how to navigate, just come here, click on this folder here. Your indicator navigator will pop out like this. Just search for the indicator which you downloaded. In this case, we are looking for fractal zones. Here is it. Okay, I'll just drag and drop it or double click on it. You allow notification for signal settings. Then come on the input of this one. The language is not English, so I don't really know what they said there, but all I know is just turn it to false, then click OK. You see, it will automatically create the zones for you. You see, very simple, very simple, and it's very powerful. It creates the zone for you, mark it up for you. This is on the daily time frame. Let's check out on the weekly time frame. So you can see on the weekly time frame, no more zones, just the upper zones. I believe when price falls below, and more zones will be created. Okay, so let's just go back to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see the zones, and it's well respected. Can you see? Price reached at that zone, and it's fall, and it broke the zone here, and it retested the zone here, and it's falling, going back to this first zone. Okay, so once it reaches the zone, you go to the lower time frame, look for confirmation whether to buy or sell. If it breaks the zone, wait for a retest, then you sell or you buy. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. You see, on the 4 hours time frame, the zones are being marked. You see, well respected. See here, just touch the zone and it sold off. Here it broke the zone and it retested here and it sold off. Here it broke the zone, came back and retested on the zone and it sold off. Here it broke the zone again, came back, retested on the zone and it sold off. It broke the zone again, came back, retested on the zone and it's selling off now. See another zone, which is that daily zone. Once it reaches the zone, just wait. Look for candlestick confirmations or any type of confirmations you like seeing before entering a trade. Just wait for it, then take on your trade. This is 4 hours time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Once you keep changing time frame, so it will be marking out zones according to the time frame. So we're on the 4 hour time frame. Let's keep on checking out the time frames. Here is on the 1 hour time frame. You see, it's the same. Break and retest on the zone. Break and retest on the zone. It's very simple. When I say this indicator is powerful, it's very, very powerful for those that like trading the support and resistance, or the break and retest, or just support and resistance entirely. You see, very simple price action. Okay, for those that like using trend line, put on your trend line. You see, you broke the trend line. Then if you want to see this particular zone here, this one, let me mark it out for you. If you want to see this particular zone, you have to go lower. Go to the lower time frame, let's say 15 minutes. Then you see this zone. Then you see this one I marked here. You see on that 15 minutes time frame, you see that this indicator will mark out that zone in particular. So, but let's just finish what we are saying here on the 1 hour time frame. So you see, you broke the trend line, broke the zone, you wait for a retest, you sell off. You see, you broke this zone, keep on selling. You broke this zone, retested and sold off. You broke, retested and it sold off. See, you broke, you retested and it sold off. Came back again and broke to the upside, retested and it's buying. You bought to this place, broke, retest, it was just bouncing between these two, and you broke and retested it, sold off. See, it was just playing around between these two zones, broke above and came back inside. So you just have to be very careful, and also you should have like a strategy using entering trade. This is just for you for more confidence, or to just help you mark out zones. Okay, for those that find it difficult marking out zones, this indicator will go a very long way to help you sort out those problems. Okay, so back to what I said earlier on that 15 minutes aspect. This particular one I marked. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Then you see that this particular zone, that the indicator will create a zone here on this one I marked here. Okay, let's wait. Okay, the history chart is still yet to be updated. Let's just do something. The problem is that I can't even see what they use in writing this. The language there is not English. So I wanted to increase the history chart so it will be able to show me this history, the zones on these past candles, the history candles. So I can't really do that here. Maybe once I find a way to do it, I will update you guys on my Telegram channel. So if you are yet to join my Telegram channel, the link will be on the description. Make sure you join. In that place you get values, like very, very good values, free. I'm not selling anything there. Just go there. I post analysis, I post indicators. Make sure you join if you are yet to join. So that will be all for now. Make sure, remember I say if you want to get the indicator, just click on this NQL5 market. And if you are yet to watch the video which I demonstrated on how to register, so I'll be able to download the indicator from this market, make sure you watch it. The link will be in the description. So like I said, the name is fractal zones, and when you are typing the fractal zone, Make sure that you keep it together, don't space it. So that's it, that will be all for now. See you in the next video. Peace out.